An impressive 61% of dog owners take their pooches for walks. The simple fact of having a dog that you walk regularly means you're more likely than most other folks to get the minimum recommended 150 minutes per week of exercise. Hi, Dr. Miller with a smart way to get fit. Got a dog? Or know someone close by who does? Great! Grab the leash and become a regular dog walker. Results of a recent survey revealed that people who have dogs and walk them are much more likely to meet government-recommended physical activity guidelines. An impressive 61% of dog owners take their pooches for walks. The simple fact of having a dog that you walk regularly means you're more likely than most other folks to get the minimum recommended 150 minutes per week of exercise. Other research suggests that dog ownership encourages owners to lead more active lives. Dog walkers tend to amp up the intensity beyond a simple walk when Fido's in tow. It all boils down to this. Dogs, like humans, need regular exercise to stay happy, healthy, and sane. And when we exercise them, we exercise ourselves too. If you're not a dog person, find another good reason to get up off the couch and lace up your walking shoes, whether it's to chase your grandkids or walk to the store every week. Find a meaningful reason to walk so you'll do it often. For more ways to shape up and live better, keep watching all our smart health tips.